I see you with that big ass thing. You will not be probing me today.
Hey, let's keep it PG-13.
That is very PG-13.
Hi, Maya.
Right, as soon as you're ready, guys.
I'm ready.
Right.
Timer cleared. Gear up. Flaps up.
Frankie flying like a nut.
I'm back, baby.
You're back, I can tell. Yeah.
I'm with a 60 to 50.
That's the thing about the Mig. It takes from a lot of abuse. Whoa! Don't do that.
Yeah, it's probably bombing. Hello, boys.
That was really
Alright,
nice.
I'm gonna do a touch and go.
A nice fast pass.
Time remaining. 3
Touch and
minutes.
go.
Hey, Frank, I'm doing one behind you.
Landing.
Touch and go from the right.
Woo!
Carrier touch and go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Touch and go.
Okay, Maya, let me focus on my phone, alright?
Okay, and I'm gonna do a power dive from the right.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flight pack 23.5.
Yes, Frank, I know you're doing a touch and go.
I'm slow down. I'm slowing up here.
2 minutes.
He needs to go away. All right, let me come with Ram this time.
No pass.
Touch and go from the right.
Gear down.
It's gonna be a fast one.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
No, I'm good. I'm okay.
Jesus! Freaking Frank, what the hell?
Yeah, I'm back, baby.
I guess Frank's back to normal.
You wanted it back.
All right, all right.
Frank
Where are
is
you?
playing Joaquim's sit.
I don't know what he was doing. That was crazy. He was only about a foot over me. Almost made me go in the
You
gravel.
wanted me back. Now
You're back.
and they can't handle it.
All right, don't worry. I'm coming back too. See, I'm right there.
It looks like you're just going spear fishing with that thing in front of your plane.
Alright, landing for real this time.
Poke somebody in the ass with that.
Jeez, dude.
Well, he's right. That's what it is.
Gotta watch the fire over there.
Flaps up.
We had one F-16 over there. We don't need another one. While I'm flying, Maya is an F-16.
Okay, fast pass from the right.
Time remaining 12 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Woohoo!
The plane was stuck on the wire.
time
Still waiting for that fast pass. Right.
Oh, okay.
No pass on the right. Ooh. That wasn't good.
I got you.
You guys are like show.
I'm good.
You guys are doing an air show.
I thought he landed.
That was a chicken, unintended chicken.
I thought you landed. I thought you landed.
He said
had low pass from the right.
And then I have hecklers too. Sheesh. I'm not going fast
I'm air
enough.
boss here.
I'm not going fast
conducting
enough.
traffic.
Going up.
Man, nothing's moving quick. What? Your F-16? Yeah. I guess we all have the same power system.
That pack is
Magical.
yeah, the running top.
What is this guy doing here? Go away.
This is where they normally do training.
Right up.
Okay, landing right.
Gear down. Landing flat.
Look at that, unlimited vertical.
I know. What's up with that? They should stay over there.
Oh my God, what a stud, what a stud.
That's at least better than my low pass that you're not liking because it's not low enough or fast enough or blah.
Oh, we had like
Hecklers.
random low passes. I was right above him.
Yeah, but that was unintended. That's the difference.
Is that on camera though?
Yes, it was. Frank. Crazy guy.
Now that his wife has given him the go-ahead for turbine. We're gonna see.
I'll put a Calibri in this one. How's that?
Oh, that's yeah.